Come join me and learn how to make this delicious cortisol detox dinner recipe together.
In this video, you will prepare a dinner specifically designed to calm both your mind and your digestive tract. By focusing on nutrient-dense ingredients that actively lower cortisol, this meal serves as a natural detox for the day's accumulated stress. We utilize an ultra-soft, mash-style consistency to ensure the food requires minimal effort to process, protecting your stomach from irritation. This perfect balance of lean protein and complex carbohydrates works to induce deep, restorative sleep while preventing the nighttime hunger or high-output spikes that can disrupt your rest. It is dinner redefined as true recovery. To begin this cortisol detox dinner, gather 4 ounces of lean ground turkey, ensuring it is prepared for a fine, digestible crumble. You will need 1 medium sweet potato, carefully peeled and cubed to eliminate any tough skins. For a gentle nutrient boost, prepare half a cup of fresh spinach with the stems removed and leaves finely chopped. To bring the dish together, keep a 1/4 cup of low-sodium vegetable broth and a teaspoon of olive oil ready. A simple pinch of dried oregano and salt provides a touch of soothing flavor without taxing your digestive system. Success in this cortisol detox dinner begins with meticulous preparation to ensure every bite is gentle on your system. Start by peeling the sweet potato completely, removing every trace of skin to eliminate tough, insoluble fibers. Carefully cube the potato into uniform, half-inch pieces to guarantee a perfectly soft, even cook. Finally, focus on the spinach by removing all fibrous stems and mincing the leaves into fine ribbons. This small but vital step prevents stringy output, transforming these nutrient-dense ingredients into a smooth, comforting base that is as easy to digest as it is nourishing. With your ingredients measured and ready, the next step is organizing your cooking station to ensure a seamless transition from prep to plate. Begin by setting out a small pot, specifically chosen for boiling the cubed sweet potatoes until they reach a perfectly soft consistency. Alongside it, place a medium non-stick skillet on the stovetop, ready to finely brown the ground turkey. Finally, keep a sturdy potato masher or a heavy fork within reach. These are the essential tools that will eventually transform the separate elements into a smooth, easy to digest, and comforting mash. To begin softening the base of your detox dinner, place the peeled sweet potato cubes into a small pot and cover them completely with water. Turn the stove to high heat to bring the water to a brisk boil, then immediately reduce it to medium to maintain a steady simmer. Let the potatoes cook for 10 to 12 minutes until they are perfectly fork tender and begin to fall apart easily. Once they reach the soft, stoma-friendly consistency, drain the water thoroughly to prepare them for the final mash. With the base of your meal underway, heat the olive oil in a skillet over medium heat to begin browning the protein. Add the ground turkey, using your spatula to break it into very small, fine crumbles to ensure it remains exceptionally easy to digest. Sauté the meat for 5 to 7 minutes until no pink remains and the texture is uniform. During the final 60 seconds, toss in the finely minced spinach, allowing it to wilt completely into the turkey. This quick finish ensures the greens are soft, safe, and perfectly integrated into your cortisol detox dinner. Once the turkey is browned and the spinach is wilted, introduce the tender, drained sweet potatoes into the skillet. Pour in the vegetable broth and use your masher to incorporate the ingredients until they reach a thick, uniform, and soft consistency. Sprinkle in a pinch of oregano and salt, stirring gently over low heat for 2 minutes. As the broth is absorbed, the flavors meld into a soothing, low-residue mash that is perfectly calibrated for easy digestion. This final step ensures a warm, comforting meal that calms the gut and prepares the body for rest. Gently scoop the turkey and sweet potato mash into a pre-warmed shallow bowl, allowing the steam to carry its calming aroma. Use the back of a spoon to press the mixture down slightly, creating a smooth, inviting surface that is as easy on the eyes as it is on the stomach. This single, hearty portion is thoughtfully calibrated to provide a sense of fullness without the physical weight of a heavy meal. It offers a perfect, low-residue balance that feels deeply satisfying, ensuring your digestive system remains settled and secure as you transition into a restful evening. This turkey, Sweet potato and spinach mash serves as a restorative anchor for your evening, specifically designed to quiet the nervous system. By combining tryptophan-rich turkey with the vitamin B6 found in sweet potatoes, this meal actively stabilizes cortisol levels to reduce systemic stress. The soluble fiber from the peeled potatoes works naturally to thicken output, while the finely minced spinach provides essential iron without the risk of blockage. It is a warm, gentle, and nutrient-dense dinner that settles the gut and prepares your body for a truly restorative night of sleep.